Stop wasting time searching for your favorite shows. If the Max app is missing from your smart TV app store, here is how to fix it in 3 easy steps. First, understand the change. HBO Max is now just Max. It's a completely new app entry, not just an update, so you have to switch manually. Step 1. Verify your hardware. Max requires Tizen OS on Samsung TVs from 2016 or newer, LG TVs with Web OS 3.5 Plus, or Android TV 7.1 and above. Step 2. The manual swap. Delete the legacy HBO Max app first, then perform a cold boot by unplugging your TV from the wall for 60 seconds to refresh the store. Finally, search specifically for Max in your app store. If it's still missing, navigate to your TV's support settings and run a firmware update. For Samsung users, a Smart Hub reset often clears the glitch. Head to self-diagnosis and use the default PIN 0000. That's it. Your Max app should be ready to stream. For more fast-paced tech guides, subscribe to Sleek Guides. I'm your host, and I'll see you in the next one.